Yeah, according to your blog post of August 19th, 2024, and I have this here, you wrote, quote, "The World Health Organization has explicitly stated that glyphosate damages our DNA and probably causes cancer." So I request unanimous consent to
Without objection.
submit the blog post. Thank you. You also wrote that there are, quote, "billions of people impacted by the sublethal chronic impacts." These are toxic substances, you wrote. So I agree with your concerns about glyphosate. We should prioritize protecting people from harmful chemicals, not pushing them. Yet last week, Donald Trump signed an executive order to promote production of glyphosate-based herbicides. Just a few months before, the Trump administration filed a brief with the Supreme Court arguing that Monsanto, one of the main producers of glyphosate, should be shielded from lawsuits from Americans who develop cancers from being exposed to glyphosate-containing Roundup, which is a weed killer. Instead of fighting for families with cancer, the Trump administration is fighting against them. So again, back to you. Yes or no, do you think President Trump's executive order promoting the production of glyphosate, which you yourself have said likely causes cancer, will put American families' health at risk?
Senator Markey, you and I both know that these issues around agriculture and health are extremely complex and are affecting farmers, consumers, food producers, food accessibility. My understanding of the executive order is that the thrust of this has to do with national security and decreased resilience and reliance on foreign countries for tools that farmers are currently using right now.
But these are things, these are cancer-inducing chemicals. According to your own statements.
We must, as a country, move away from using toxic inputs in our food supply, and we must study these chemicals more to understand their effects. I am very gravely concerned about the health impacts of these chemicals.
I understand that. Doctor, I'm just trying to help you to agree with yourself. You've already said it in the past, but Trump is contradicting you.
Our food system is dependent currently on these chemicals. There is a good faith movement towards moving our food system towards regenerative agriculture and precision application of pesticides. I believe in good faith that is happening within this administration. I do also believe that we must do that.
It's not good faith. He's immunizing. He's arguing that there should be an immunization of Monsanto against any lawsuits. That's not good faith. That's just siding with the chemical manufacturing company that is in fact causing the cancers. So don't you think it does put families at risk if these chemicals are in the system? That's been your position historically.
I think there's grave issues with these chemicals. I think that we are in a very complicated moment for agriculture and food. We cannot overturn the entire agriculture system overnight. That would hurt farmers. It would hurt food prices. This is a national security decision.
That's not what the Trump administration. That's not what the Trump administration.
And as a physician and as the Surgeon General, my focus would be on making sure that we are protecting American consumers and their health, and making sure that we are having transparent, honest conversations about these chemicals.
I'm disappointed to see you back away from your efforts.
I am not in any way backing away from this issue. It is a core passion of my life.
Look at Secretary Kennedy has already backed away from his prior statements that glyphosate is a carcinogen and a, quote, likely culprit behind chronic diseases in the United States. That's a total U-turn
this administration
on the health risks of glyphosate. Total U-turn by Kennedy, and you're in his agency. Yeah, thank you.
Could I respond, Senator Cassidy? The administration has put down in very clear writing through the MAHA strategy that we are going to study the chemical inputs of our food supply. We are going to make sure American consumers are protected, and that we are entering an era where we are going to prioritize helping farmers move to more sustainable farming practices. I think those are all good things. I think it's extremely important both for our planet and our health, and I'm going to be a champion on that issue.
The MAHA movement is not happy with the Trump executive order. Okay, that's the reality.
Support journalism you trust. Support PBS News. Donate now, or even better, start a monthly contribution today.